Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with my mannequin and I will show you a double infinity hairstyle that ends up in a big chignon bun. So part of half of the section of the hair and then take a good chunk of hair from the crown. This is what we're going to use to do the infinity braid. Clip that for the time being away and make a deep ponytail underneath this section for the hair that you do not need right now. We do exactly the same thing on the other side. Take the eyebrow as your guideline and go exactly to the point where you ended up the other section from the left hand side. Clip it away and make a deep ponytail beneath this section that we are not going to work with right now. I like to have everything in its position to start with my braid. Now here on the left hand side, take a good portion of hair, split it into two. Now first cross this over from the right to the left, then section off a part, bring this under, over and under, and then around. We're going to describe an 8. So bring it again around the left hand strand, and now in the third time you just add in some hair. Again, bring it over the right hand strand, add in after you brought it around another portion of hair, and all together around the left hand strand. This is the 8 that we are going to describe all the time until we reach the end of this braid. So keep on with the pattern. After you brought it around the 2 strands, you add in some hair. Bring it around, hold everything tight, and then add in some hair, and all together it goes around the navel strand. Wrap it around, add in small portions of hair. It is important that the portion of hair that you add in is always on the height of the braid that you're just doing. So check that the hair is right next to the strands. Here you see it from another angle. Wrap it around one of these 2 strands, add in some hair, and then together flip it around the other side. Then when you're done and there's no more hair to incorporate, do some extra stitches. I would like to bring this nearly until the end, and now with the little tiny elastic I am first holding the strand that I've wrapped around and attach it to one of the 2 strands. Make sure there are no gaps, attach a bit, and this is the first infinity braid, and we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So make sure you have the same guidelines. The portion is split into 2, then bring now the left over the right, take a portion of hair, wrap it around, make your first 8, make your second 8, and then you add in some hair. Bring everything around the left hand strand and then around the right hand side, add in some hair, and pull always everything tight. That means the strand that you wrapped around, by pulling the 2 middle strands that we use as our base, I would like to say, you part them, and this brings the strands that you wrapped around closer to each other. So always pull in between. When there's no more hair to incorporate, just bring the strand that you wrap in a shape of an 8 around these 2 middle strands. The braid is going to be smaller, and then attach first 2 strands and then all 3 together. These are our 2 infinity braids. What I'm doing now is we're going to make with the remaining hair, while the other 2 portions are clipped away, a high ponytail. So take the 2 infinity braids as your guideline. In the middle of them, more or less, you do the high ponytail. Then take the infinity braids and combine them underneath this ponytail. So pull, take an elastic, and with this hair tie you bring them together, pull again, and these 2 braids underneath will give more volume to the ponytail on the top. Now we take the end, we add another elastic, and we flip it inside, roll it a bit, and then pin with as many bobby pins that you need everything into place. So if you have shorter hair, this works with a smaller bun. If you have longer hair, you can even tease it a bit and to make some volume. If you need a donut inside to make sure that the volume stays in place, then you do this. This is our final result, a double infinity braid with a big chignon braid. Please don't forget to click the like button, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you are new, and we will see you back very soon. Bye bye!